Okay friends, so in this video I'm going to show you a simple strategy that have helped someone, normal person like you and me, to turn his $1 into $1,000. So watch this video very carefully because it is going to be a highly informative video that can help you to make lots of profitable trades in your upcoming days. So what happened today, I was having a conversation with one of my Telegram subscriber. He usually copies my trades too, okay, and we were talking about a strategy that have helped someone to turn his $1 into $1,000. And at first I didn't believe at all, okay, but when he started to share with me that strategy, then I thought to give it a test, and I got shocked. It was working like a charm, okay. So I decided to create this video, and I will make few trades, okay, like 4 to 5 trades, and you can see how accurate this strategy can be, okay. And if you can have a little bit patience while using this strategy, then no one can stop you from making lots of profitable trades, okay. So watch this video very carefully and understand this strategy very carefully. So as you can see, this is the platform that we are going to use, pocket option. And to use this strategy, firstly what you need to do is, any currency pair that has over 80% payout, you just put it all at here, okay, in favorite. Just make this star yellow and it will be at here. Now second thing you need to do is, you just click on this candles, okay, and then make it of M1, 1 minute time frame. That means each of these candles are forming in 1 minute time frame. Now another important thing that you need to do is this time, okay. So for this time, if it is this kind of clock, then make it flag, and then just click on here, okay, and make sure if there is like 30 or something at here, okay, if you have something like this, just delete it and make it 00, okay. And then in this auto time offset, it should be on, and select M1, okay, plus M1. Once you did this, do this much, then decide the amount that you want to invest, okay. And once everything is done, now this is the time for the strategy. Now just click on this, okay, so that you can implement this moving average, and just click on this moving average, okay. And once you click on that moving average, it will appear at here, and make the period 7, okay. Moving average should be of SMA, not anything other, okay, only SMA, and period should be 7. And in go to style and make it of white color so that you can visualize it clearly, okay, and make it 2px, so it is a little bit big. This kind of moving average you will see. So now the trading with this strategy is extremely simple, okay. So as you can see, whenever the market is above this moving average, then we consider it a uptrend, okay. And now whenever the market comes to towards this moving average, at that exact time you need to make trade by clicking on higher, okay. You can see, if you had made trade at here, you could go right. If you had made trade at here, you could go right. If you had made trade at here, you could go right, okay. So in this way you can make trades. Similarly in downtrend, whenever these candles are below, I will exactly show you by making trades also, okay. So keep watching. So as you can see here, this moving average, candles are below this moving average, so that means it is considered a downtrend, okay. So whenever it retraces back, okay, and try to toss this moving average, at that exact time you can click on lower and make trade. And you can see here, if you had made trade anywhere at here, okay, then you could have gone profitable. You can keep on seeing in lots of, and yes, in this type of market, which is also called a range bound market, neither it is going up or nor it is falling down, okay. In that condition, like this kind of range bound, you don't make any trade, okay. So now what I will do is, I will show you by making 4 to 5 trades by using this exact strategy. So keep patience, okay, don't skip any part of this video and watch every movement of the candles properly, okay, so that you can train your subconscious mind to make trades in a easy way by using this strategy. So now I will keep quiet and show you the strategy. So watch this video till the end, okay.